How to clean the handpiece. After a treatment, the tip should be cleaned. Select the cleaning icon. Tip temperature will be adjusted to below 200 degrees centigrade. Now, select the handpiece you would like to clean by pressing on its icon. Remove the selected handpiece's distance gauge. Do not touch the tip, it might still be hot. Place the distance gauge on a clean and dry surface. Hold the handpiece with the tip pointing downwards. Lightly soak the brush in the IPA fluid. Brush the tip for 30 seconds at least, until visibly clean. After tip cleaning, clean the toothbrush using a medical-grade alcohol. Clean the distance gauge thoroughly. Now, reconnect the distance gauge to the handpiece. If the second handpiece was used, repeat the cleaning procedure by selecting the handpiece icon. After brushing the tip, a heat cleaning is performed automatically. If required, you may press the home button to interrupt it. After the cleaning process is complete, the device is ready for another session, and the operate screen will be displayed. How to shut down the Tixel device. Press the power icon. The handpiece will cool down to 200 degrees centigrade. Manually turn off the switch at the back of the device. Other features of the home screen include switch LED light on and off, demo mode, operation at low temperature,